Chicken wings are one of the easiest and cheapest things that you can cook on the barbecue. They're delicious, fun to eat, and give you an opportunity to clean your barbecue while you're cooking them. In this video, I'm going to show you how to prepare, barbecue, and serve these delicious bites of barbecue goodness. And we're going to do all of this for just over £2. Now, when it comes to barbecuing on a budget, you can't go wrong with the humble chicken. So I head down to Morrisons and see what they've got on the shelf. There is lots of cheap chicken to choose from here, but what really caught my eye was this 1 kilogram pack of chicken wings, and they have price matched Aldi and Lidl to hit the price of £2.19. And I'm pretty tight, so that appeals to me. If I'd have got two 500 gram packs, it would have cost me 60p more, so I feel like I've won. Now just to get these home. Back in the comfort of my own kitchen, and let's get these bad boys open. Now, not all packs of wings are created equally, and I've found even if you get your wings from the same supermarket over and over again, that they can often be different sizes. But these ones look pretty good. And just like in the bedroom, I'm going to start with just the tip, before getting in and separating that drum and flat. If you just cut straight down the middle, your knife should find a natural separation between the two. You can of course leave these together if you want, but I quite like them separate. These tips are utterly useless, so you want to take those off completely. And just repeat this process until you've got a big pile of wings. And once you're done, you'll be left with a big pile of ready to cook chicken wings and a big pile of completely useless tips. Now, you can just throw these tips away, but I've started putting them in my chicken scrap bag, which just lives in the freezer, and eventually I'm going to make some stock with it. Or at least I say I am. I've been saving this up for quite a while. The bag's getting pretty full and I haven't made it yet, but it's nice to have plans. Grab yourself a big mixing bowl and shove in your wings. And before we add our rub, I'm going to add a nice coating of extra virgin olive oil. This is going to help the skin crisp up a bit and help that rub stick. Then I'm going to put on my mandatory YouTuber black glove, link in the description if you want some for yourself, and give it a good mix. Then it's time to apply the rub. Now, you can use any rub you like. I'm using my homemade barbecue rub, and I'll put a recipe for it down in the description so you can recreate it yourself. Or just make up your own. They're wings, they're cheap, experiment. And with them nicely coated, they can sit on the side for a little bit while we light up the barbecue. I'm going to pour out a full chimney of Big K charcoal, which I actually also picked up from Morrisons on a pallet deal that they had going on. Grab a couple of wood wool firelighters, light them up, and place the chimney on top. Let that sit for around 20-25 minutes, or until the top coals have started to light. At which point I'm going to pour it out into my charcoal baskets. If you don't have charcoal baskets, don't worry, just bank it all up on one side. The key is to create a hot zone and a cool zone, which will allow for both direct and indirect cooking. And this is going to be key to finishing our wings the way we want them. Get the grill on, and you can see mine's looking pretty filthy from the last cook I did. So we're going to sort that out before we cook these chicken wings. Pop the lid on and open the vents right up. You want this to get as hot as possible. You're aiming for a minimum of 250 degrees Celsius, but if it runs over that, that's not a problem. You just want it as hot as possible. This is going to allow you to have nice crispy wings, but it's also going to be good for cleaning the barbecue. After about 10 minutes with the lid closed, everything is nice and hot. So I just scrunch up some tin foil into a ball and scrape those grates. That high heat has killed everything and loosened it up. Now, your ball of foil can get quite hot while you're doing this, so oven gloves are big and clever. And once we're nice and clean, it's time to put on our chicken wings. Now, we're just going to put them in the cool zone, which means they're not directly above the coals, and this is going to allow them to cook indirectly and not burn. Just leave those vents fully open, because again, you want this barbecue as hot as possible. Give them around 15 minutes, and then you can flip them over. This will give them a more even cook. You can also move some of the less done ones a bit closer to the coals. Replace the lid and let them sit for another 10 minutes before opening up again. And now these should all be cooked and have a fairly consistent, nice colour. If they're not there yet, you can always put them on for a little bit longer, but these are perfect for me, so I'm going to take them off. And it would be a shame to leave it dirty again, so as it's still hot, give it another scrub. Then close the lid, shut the vents to preserve the charcoal. Then we are back inside to add our sauce, and again, you can use any sauce you want, but I'm using my classic Frank's RedHot wing sauce. You can buy these pretty cheap in massive bottles at Costco and they last you absolutely ages. Once you put on enough sauce for your liking, it's time to give those wings a toss. Now my dog was hoping I would do a far more impressive toss and leave some on the floor for her, but sometimes a gentle toss is all that's needed. With your wings fully coated and prepared, it is time to plate up. Now I like to go through a 3-bowl system, one for the wings, one for the sauce, and a final one for the bones. For the sauce, I'm going to go with some white Alabama barbecue sauce that I made in my video last week. Go check it out if you haven't already. But unfortunately there's not quite enough, so I'm just going to top it up with some mayo. But just use any sauce you've got lying around. If you have it, then a blue cheese dressing goes really well with buffalo wings. Pop the wings in the big bowl. Eating wings is a messy job, so grab yourself some paper towels and you are ready to go. I love doing chicken wings on the barbecue. They're really easy, really delicious, and this whole meal plus a clean barbecue cost me £2.19p. These are a great one to do as a starter if you're throwing a barbecue and perhaps you're doing some slow cooked meats and you want something to nibble on while that's waiting to be served. Or they're a really cheap way of testing out new sauces and rubs. If you mess it up, it's only a couple of pounds. I really hope this has inspired you to get outside and cook something, but if you need a little bit more inspiration, then check out one of these 2 videos next.